Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set one-handed mode in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Go to settings. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. Shortcuts and accessibility. And here just go to one-handed and just turn on this button access mini screen using gestures. So to activate one-handed mode, first I open one app, and from here I would like to use one-handed mode. So what I have to do is just from right side edge, just slide towards inner screen, then slide outward. Okay, slide inward and slide outward like this, and mini screen will be open, so you can use all areas of your screen with your one hand only. This is right-handed mode. Okay, if you would like to close the one-handed mode, and if you would like to get full screen mode, click on this plus symbol, close symbol, and it will close. Okay, for left-handed mode, similarly from the left edge slide inward and take outward like this, and left-handed mode will be active, and you can access all areas of your phone screen with left hand only, one hand. Okay, one left hand. Okay, so suppose if you would like to adjust the screen area, just click here and you can adjust the screen length like this. Okay, press and hold and you can move. Suppose if you keep like this, yes, you can use the screen as well. Okay, suppose if touch is not responsive on the edge and side, just you can set a screen like this, and you can use all areas of your phone. Okay, so one-handed mode will be will be useful when some of the area of your phone screen is not responsive for touch. Okay, also if you would like to use with one hand only, then you can use this mode, one-handed mode. Okay, if you would like to close the one-handed mode, just click on the close button. Okay, I am reposition now. I am closing the one-handed mode. So in this way you can easily set one-handed mode and use it for your purpose in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye 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 bye.